Hello friends, welcome to Ashwini Sparkles. So friends, today we are discussing about logarithms. Logarithms basics are part 1. So guys, we are discussing logarithms. Logarithms are the most important topic in any private or government exams. So guys, let's understand what is the basic concept of algorithms. So guys, logarithms part 1. Logarithms part 1. So guys, here it is simply. For example, a power of m equal to, it is called exponential form. What is logarithm form of this exponential form is, just exchange this, that is log a power of x is equal to m. Here it is simply just exchange x and m. Then write this as adding log a power of x is equal to m, like this. This is the logarithmic form, this is the exponential form. So guys, this is logarithm of form. So generally let's do some couple of problems so we can understand on this basic concept. So guys, for example, 10 square equal to 100. So to convert this exponential form into logarithm form, just swap this 2 and 100. Log 10 power of 100 equal to 2. This is logarithm of form. Similarly, 2 power of 4 equal to 16. Log 2 power of 16 equal to 4. This is logarithm of form. So guys, let's discuss about basic logarithmic formula that involves simple tricks. Nothing but these are the most important formulas. That is, first, log base a power of xy equal to log ax plus log ay. Similarly, log a bar of x by y, that is log ax minus log ay. Hence, log a power of a equal to 1. Next, log base a power 1 equal to 0. Next, log a base a x power of n equal to, n comes to this side, so n log a power of x. So next, log b power of x is there, then log base 10 x by log base 10 b. So guys, here it is multiplication, it goes to addition. Here it is division, it goes to subtraction. This is if same power and base are there, it is equal to 1. If power is 1, that is 0. If it is there is n goes to this side, that is n log a power of x. So log base b power x, then simply log x by log b. Simple. So guys, let's do some couple of problems to understand this concept. So guys, solve log base to 1 by 16. So how to solve this? So guys, simply, what is the 16? It can be written as 1 by 2 whole power of 4. Nothing but it is written as 2 power of minus 1 whole power of 4. It can be written as 2 power of minus 4. So power moves to this side, minus 4 log 2 power of 2. So base 2 power 2 equal to 1, that is minus 4. Similarly, let's do another problem. So convert 5 cube equal to 125 into logarithm of form. So guys, it is discussed already. So what we have to do, just swap this, that is log 5 power of 125 equal to 3. So guys, next, solve log 7 of 1 by 343. So guys, for this log 7, 343 can be written as 7 whole cube, nothing but 1 by 7 whole cube. So 1 by 7, it goes to 7 goes to numerator, that is 7 power of minus 1 whole 3, nothing but 7 power of minus 3. So guys, here minus 3 log 7 power of 7, here it is 1, so answer is minus 3. So guys, next to another problem, log 68 power of 68. So base and power are equal, then log a power of a equal to simply 1. Or we can also do by another method this also, that is log 10 68 by log 10 68, which is equal to 1. So guys, we will do another problem to understand more for clear explanation. So guys, here see the question. If log 4 power 32 equal to x, then find x. So guys, first how to solve this? First of all, convert this logarithm form into exponential form, nothing but swap x and 32, that is 4 power of x is equal to 32. So 4 is written as 2 square whole power of x is equal to 32, and it's again written as 2 power of 2x is equal to 32. So it's again written as 32 written as 2 power of 5. So here if bases are equal, then powers are also equal, nothing but 2x equal to 5, then x is equal to 5 by 2. So our answer x is equal to 5 by 2. Similarly, let's do another problem. So solve log 75 by 16 minus 2 log of 5 by 9 plus log of 32 by 243. So guys, this 2 will goes to power, that is log 5 by 9 whole square plus log 32 by 243. So guys, this is subtraction. What will happen? This is nothing but division, that is 75 by 16 will write in as 9 square by 5 square plus log of 32 by 243. Here it is addition, so we can write as multiplication, nothing but log a plus log b equal to log ab, that is log of 75 by 16 into 9 into 9 by 5 into 5 into 32 by 243. So guys, do all this sum. This is 16 2s are, this is 5 15 ja, this is 5 3s are, this is 3 81s are. So 9 square 81 cancel, so remaining 2, so answer is log 2. So guys, if you like this, these are the basic problems and logarithms which are most important in all competitive exams. So friends, do you like my video? Do you please share my video and subscribe? Thank you guys.